continuation of the previous explanation where we stopped the cultural differences, that Hindus burnt their dead bodies while Muslims buried their dead bodies. Hindus considered the mother cow as their sacred animal while Muslims slaughtered cow. And the next topic will be the social differences are also a factor. The two communities, Muslims and Hindus of the subcontinent, also differ in their social life. Their way of wearing their life, the clothes, the foods they are taking, the household utensils, the way of total living their life are totally their gesture, their words of respect that they are using, and everything that are totally different and from each other. Economic differences. The Muslim economic was after 1857 year was totally destroyed just because of the policies that frame in such a way that whatever the condition that Muslims on that time, government services and their states were take away the authority from the Muslims, while the Hindu were provided all the extensive opportunities to progress economically, so that the economic conditions of Muslim was totally destroyed. Educational differences are huge differences between the Hindus and Muslims, because Muslim did not receive the modern education while the Hindus were advanced in the educational fees because they took the English education rapidly. Political differences. The political differences in both the parties plays an important role for the development and evaluation of the two-nation theory. The role of Allama Iqbal. The role of Allama Iqbal. Allama Iqbal was born on 9th November 1877 in Sialkot. He took his early education. After the completion of his early education, he took admission in the Government College, Lahore. Then he obtained his degree of MA in the subject of philosophy. Then he went to England for higher studies in 1905. After taking his degree of philosophy, PhD, from Munich University, he came back to Pakistan. The role of Allama Iqbal that we discussed. Now the topic Allama Iqbal and Indian Muslim nationhood. Allama Iqbal is the greatest philosopher, along with this quality, and the poet as well of that duration of time in the history. He also possesses a view